Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the 5th class of MS Publisher for Beginners. In this class, we'll try to give a slight touch to page design. So without any further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to the world of Microsoft once again. Let me delete that. Change template, we've got the option there. Make sure to click on that, and we have got more of the templates there. Make sure to click on that, hit OK. You must be observing that we have got template over there. Make sure to go for page design, and we have got margins options there. Make sure to observe this place in which sort of blue lines are coming there, or you must be observing the blue lines that are coming there. Make sure to click on margins. If I click on white, now you must be observing that it is coming inside. Make sure to click on narrow. You must be observing that this is going outside. So that is how the margin is working like. Let me decrease the size of that. Let me zoom it out and go for orientation. If I click on landscape, this will be changing the page into landscape. Well, let me tell you one thing. The template that I have brought is not suitable with the landscape. So what I have to do is to go back for portrait. What is important is that you must need this in your mind, that anytime you want to change portrait to landscape, you must not have any sort of design that is already made, because then you must have some sort of awkward result over there. So that is what the things are working like. So if you go for landscape, your page will be looking something like that, which looks so much awkward. Make sure to go some steps back by holding the control or the command button and press Z button. Keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. Let me go to its original place. Make sure to go and use a size option which is present there, in which we have got many sort of sizes there. That depends upon the need, that depends upon the choice. So what I personally recommend you is that either you must be going for letter size, either you must be going for A4 size, or you must be going for letter size, so that these will be accepted to our printers. We have got guides option there, which you must be using for any sort of shape making. If you want to delete the page there, let me make or insert sort of new page. Before I delete that, I have created new page. Make sure to click on the previous page, go for delete option, or maybe rename that. I have renamed that. And if you want to move that, you can also move that at the bottom, and you can also move that at the top. Similarly, we have got delete option there. If I click on that and click on yes, now you must be observing that we have deleted that. We have got some sort of colors inside that. If you apply that, none of these are applying. The thing is that we must be applying sort of background there, and after that we are free to change the color of that. See, that works. So that is how the things are working like. And similarly, if you want to type something there, hold the control or the command button, press A button. Let me increase that by going to home and increase the size of that. Make sure to go back for page design and fonts. Over there you can change the font style. So that is how the things are working like. Hold the control or the command button, press A button, make sure to delete that out, and we have got apply image there. The thing is that it is not working now at the moment. So what we have to do, we have to go for insert, pictures, and try to take sort of picture there. if we have, provided that we have the pictures there. Let me take maybe this picture. We have got the picture there. Make sure to go for page design. Let me decrease the size of that in order to make this much more visible. Now you can see that it has started working. Apply image, fill. That means that we have got the picture applied on the interface, applied on page. Go for tile. Tile will be working something like that. And now you're free to type something over there. That must mean that is the background of the page. Create new color scheme. If you want to make sort of a new color scheme, you must be changing the color of that and making sort of color scheme there. See, I have got there. Make sure to apply that and click on that, and that will be working something professionally. Background, more backgrounds. If you click on that, we have got gradient fill there, which you can apply sort of gradient there. Hit OK. Now we have got the gradient we have just made. Make sure to go for that. You can also apply sort of pattern fill inside that. More backgrounds. You can also bring the picture which I have just brought. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.